It's bad weather for today. Today is Sunday and today is February 18 and the time now here in Pakistan is 11:40 a.m. As you can see the carpet over there because we removed yesterday because they fix ceiling here or they remove ceiling first and then they fix. So it's good that it's already fixed this ceiling. So for the meantime we use this plastic carpet here. And it's good there is rain so it can be washed this carpet, and expected rain until February 21. It's bad weather for today. Today is February 18 and today is Sunday, and the time now here in Pakistan is 4:45 p.m. As you can see the sky, it's black and it's not good climate, and it's raining also. It's started morning time around 8 a.m. and this rain expected until February 21. Ayan. So this one yesterday they removed already all this one here. They make already empty, and yung tin, yung yero, yung atip ay tinanggal, pati yung mga wall na mud. So ito supposed to be today ang ang pag-start ng flooring dito, kaya lang there is rain. So inshallah after rain, after February 21 then we can start. Ayan malamig. It's cold again. There is no already snow but raining. Ito lang yung yung ulan, hindi masyado malakas but super lamig. It's like also when there is snow, super lamig din, the same like this. Ayan. Kahapon very nice weather kahapon, February 17, kasi yun nga natapos yung yung paggawa ng pagtanggal ng ceiling dito sa loob ng kwarto, and then pag din fix ng ceiling. So buti kahapon there is good weather, but today very bad weather talaga. Kaya yung carpet na tinanggal dito sa room ay yan nilagay diyan ni Lakay para pag para mahugasan. Ayan, para matanggal yung alikabok. And then pag na-dry yan, i-fix ulit dito sa sa kwarto. Dito walang ilaw. On off ang ilaw dito. Ayan. Kaya yung yung flooring dito ay walang carpet. At for the meantime nilagyan namin ng plastic na carpet. Ayan, walang ilaw. Itong extension room na ito, yung tinanggal ng tin at saka yung yero, yung atip at saka yung wall na made of mud. Matagal na itong plano namin na na gawing extension room, na gawing concrete, kaya lang walang budget talaga. So thank you so much talaga sa aking bayaw na napaka-generous. Sabi niya gawin daw ito na extension room. So inshallah umpisahan na, kasi may mga materials na black. Yung wala pa, hindi pa binaba dito yung yung doon sa taas pa, yung semento, yung bags of cement, yung sand, yung buhangin at saka yung broken na stone, mga stones. So kaya ito umpisahan na inshallah, and inshallah very soon ay matatapos na itong room na ito. Kaya thank you so much din for long service itong extension room na ito. Kahit very simple lang, dito kami nag-stock ng mga kahoy, mga furnitures na kahoy, yun doon nilagay nila kayo, iba sa branda. yung sa right branda, doon nilagay yung ibang furnitures na kahoy. And then dito din ako banda nagluluto. Yan, banda dyan, yung dirty kitchen ko. So, thank you so much din itong aking extension room. Pero inshallah matatapos ito din, gagawin pagawa din kami ng ng kitchen at kung ano-ano. Yan yung kulungan ng manok pala, oh. Yan. Day 2 rain. Today is February 19 and today is Monday and the time now here in Pakistan is 25 AM. Ayan, super lamig. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan, continue rain since yesterday and this rain until 21. So tomorrow and after tomorrow there is rain. Ayan, ang lamig. Nakikita yung sky, madilim, malamig. Malamig ang panahon. Ayan. Oh, lakas ng hangin. Ang lakas ng hangin. Super lamig. Tapos ayan, oh. Oh. Tingnan nyo yung dyan. Yung magalaw-galaw. Lakas ng hangin. Ayan, nailipad na yung dyan, yung yero. Ayan si Paddy. Nilalagyan niya ng yung black sa taas ng yung yero sa taas ng kulungan ng manok para hindi lumipad. Ayan yung nilagay namin yero dito para hindi maano yung kahoy na ilipad din. Heavy rain hanggang pa ito bukas and then until February 21. Oof. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Ay, ayan lamig. Lakas ng hangin. Oh, tingnan nyo yung mga puno. Ay. Sipahat. Kaya mapati. No need to open chicken. Ay. Ayan, oh. Musta na kaya yung swimming pool doon? Yun, yung dam. Time is 11:35 AM. Kanina nag-video ako. Pero ngayon medyo lumakas-lakas. Lakas ng hangin. Ayan, oh. Ayan si Fahad, siya, gumamit siya ng coat sa loob, tapos raincoat. Time check, Pakistan time, it's 3:45 PM. It's heavy rain now. And too much air. Ang lakas ng hangin. Ayan, oh, it seems already night. But it's still 3:45 PM. Ayan yung mga manok namin, oh, nabasa na. Ayan yung mga dito, yung mga yero na nagliparan. Walang kuryente dahil sa lakas ng hangin. Kulog, kidlat din. Ayan, umulan din ng snow kaya lang konti, oh. Ayan, konti. Time check is 5:19 p.m. Pakistan time, and today is February 19 and today is Monday. Ayan, may video ako kaninang umaga and then kaninang 4 p.m. yata. So ngayon medyo huminto na yung ulan at saka yung hangin.